Okay, I'm going to do a video on elapsed time. Let's say I start playing piano at 3 p.m. and I finish at 4:30 p.m. Some of you might be saying, well, that's easy, that's an hour and a half. That's true, but I want to show you with something simple how you would work out something that might be a lot harder than this. So in parentheses, if I were to add, because I'm not adding time, but if I were to add an hour to 3 p.m., and I write 1 hour, my new time would be 4 p.m. From 4 p.m. until 4:30 is 30 minutes. So if I were to add 30 minutes, I'm now at 4:30. And then I add up my parentheses. So it's an hour and a half. But it's not as simple when the numbers get a little bit trickier. For example, 6:45 until 9:17. Let's just pretend it's this. I can get to the nearest whole, so if I add 5 minutes, I'm at 6:50, and then I can add 10 minutes. But I happen to know that 7:15 is 15 minutes away. So if I were to add 15 minutes to 6:45, and it's very important you label your work, I'm now at 7 p.m. From 7 p.m. until 9:17, it's 2 hours and 17 minutes. So if I added 2 hours and 17 minutes, I'm at the end time that I need. Then I add up all my parentheses. So I'm going to add 15 minutes to the 17 minutes. 7:05 is 12, and that's 32 minutes. So it is 2 hours and 32 minutes. What you need to know is on a test, they might ask you to find the elapsed time and then convert it to minutes. So you would need to know that there's 60 minutes in an hour, and that 2 hours would be 120 minutes plus 32, so it's 152 minutes. That's just one way to figure it out. So I'm going to give you one more problem, and let's see if you can do this one on your own. And don't look at the board, don't look at your screen. I'm going to write on the board. And see if you can solve this with your pencil and paper that I hope you have. 3:23 to 4:31. Very odd numbers. Okay, so don't forget, just a reminder, you're going to want to get in small increments at least up to 4 to the whole number. So you do your work, I'll do mine. What's the elapsed time? 68 minutes or an hour and 8 minutes. That's how you find the elapsed time.